Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short or Randy4short, and we are going to be planning the week of August. Why don't I ever know the dates that I'm about to plan? This is so sad. We are going to be planning the week of August 24th through the 30th. Okay, so that I know for sure we're in the last week of August, which means I need this color because we're in week 35 of the year, and that's this color in the mild liner. So I'm going to go ahead and for those of you who are new, I use the Assorted monthly method. So I coordinate the color of my weekly headers to the color that I'm in the Assorted monthly calendars. So let me go ahead and fill in the week color in the headers, and then I'll put the dates, and then I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and lay our washi. These are little scraps that I've been having in my planner. So, oh, it actually fits perfectly. Cool. Look, that just like, I could just use pen and this would be perfectly fine with me. This Simply Gilded washi is just, I don't understand how I did not fall down this rabbit hole before, because this Stardust washi, it just takes your spread to a whole nother level every single time. Goodness. Okay, let's just move on. So on Mondays, I like to gather all the trash in the house and bring it downstairs for my husband to take out and put in the outside garbage can and take it to the curb on Tuesdays. So on Tuesdays, I actually like to pay off our credit cards. Put this over here. And then on Wednesday, my son is going to my mother-in-law's. Let's see. I'll put it right here. That's really the only thing I have on Wednesday. And then my mom has him on Thursdays. Let's see. Also on Thursdays, I like to do, oh, wait. I need to go back to Tuesday. I want to start listing the mail. So put that like that. I want to come back and color in that heart too. Thursdays, my son is at my mom's, and then I have chores that I want to get done around the house. So pre-pulling these stickers has actually made my videos go much, like my plan with me's go much smoother. But how do you guys like the plan with me so far? I typically didn't do them on my channel just because how long it took with me to like edit videos and things like that. But doing it this way is way quicker and I'm able to be more consistent. But let me know, do you guys miss me flipping through sticker books? Like, I do it every now and then when I need a certain sticker, but for the most part, I like to pre-plan my stickers on one of my sticker sheets. And yeah, it just makes the video go by quicker. But I understand that I do things differently than other YouTube planner babes. So let me know down in the comments, what are you guys' thoughts on the plan with me so far? Okay, Thursday, chores, and then Friday, oh my gosh, Simply Gilded is coming out with another release. And I am here for it. Did you guys shop her last release, the Floral Floor one? I actually didn't because I really didn't see anything for me in that release. Like, I like her Floral Floor, don't get me wrong, but it was like a whole bunch of blues and there was a black. I was tempted to get the black one, but I already have the Desert Dance Floral Floor, which is this one right here. I can kind of like unroll it for you guys. And I actually like this one the best out of the floral floor, so I didn't feel the need to get like another one. So if you see, that's like super cute to me. So I didn't feel the need to, I didn't feel the pull of those other floral floors. And I believe this one came in a sub box, the Desert Dance sub box, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I just didn't feel the need to get any others. But she's having one this Friday, and it's supposed to be like for the purple lovers. And I am definitely a purple lover over a pink lover. So I can't wait to see what she has in store. So Friday, the Simply Gilded, and then I need to meal prep and do groceries on, oh well, I didn't plan that correctly. All right, let's move this. All right, so I scooted over the chores in that coffee, and let's see if I can fit this on here. It's gonna cover up my Friday date, but I'll just write it over here or something, just squeeze it in somehow. Let's see. Also, I think that's it for Friday. And if I have anything else, there's 2 extra lines right here that I can write something else in on Friday. So with that, I'm just gonna scooch these over. Alrighty, so I think that's it for Friday. And then Saturday, I usually work on YouTube. Oh, on Wednesday, sorry, let's go back to Wednesday. I actually have a Zoom meeting. So we're gonna put that down right there. And then, I was saying that I typically do YouTube on the weekends on Saturday. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that, put planner sesh. Also on Saturdays, I'm trying to get back into my Bible. So I want to start doing a Bible study on Saturdays since my husband has the baby already. I think that's going to be a good day for me to try and be consistent with it. So that's going to go there. And then on Sunday, I like to do a weekly, what I call like a weekly prep, which is basically getting my clothes ready for the week, doing my nails, and just like stuff like that. It's like more me time. And I also do laundry on Saturdays. Well, I fold the laundry on not Saturdays. I fold the laundry on Sundays. So I usually either start washing on Friday or Saturday, and then I fold everything on Sundays. So yeah. Where do I want to put this? Okay. And then I want to put this what's for dinner down here, just in case my husband tells me what he wants to make for that week. Then I could just go ahead and write it in this spot. Okay. And then we're going to add this little spatula. So I thought this was pretty cute. I'll put it over here. Give me as much writing space as possible. I did want to put like this washi at the bottom, but now I'm looking like I probably won't do it. But I do want to add this washi because I think it's so cute. So I want to add it at the bottom like I did on a previous week, like right here and right here. Maybe if I add it down here, no, since there's really no space to do it over here, it just kind of looks crazy. I don't know. Do I just want to do it at the bottom? No, I think I'll save this for another time because it just doesn't feel right to put it anywhere on this spread. I mean, it's gorgeous, but I feel like that would be overkill, so I'll just save it. All right, so I like where all of my stickers are, so I'm gonna go ahead and like mark my spot for me to check these items off. So it seems like my outliner lifts everything, even the ink on this paper. And yeah, the outliners typically don't do that, but I think this is cheap ink, cheap printer ink. And for my Frixion highlighter, it's best if I use the mild liner before I go in and use the highlighter. I mean the pen. So I think that's normal for a lot of like markers, just so they don't smudge. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I did want to color in this little heart. What color should I color it? Should I color it pink? I feel like I have like a lot of pink going on right here, and I feel like I only have this pink. There's this pink, but I feel like this little section is missing color, so I will color it pink. Wait, first, what color is this pink? Because, yeah, I don't really like that. I feel like that's a little bold. What color is this pink? And that's better. I'll do this pink. Oh, way to color out the lines there, Randy4short. You had one job. All right, so let me go ahead and put in like my little keys. All right, so if you're new to my channel, the little dots are for tasks and then the asterisks are for reminders. So quite a few tasks this week, but you know, I'm cool with it. All right, so that's it for this playing with me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!